there. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I just want to quickly do another tutorial about the trending gele. So but this one is just something different. So I've already created my pleats. I've already So guys, I'll start by rolling the hand of the gele. So with this gele, I've already created my pleats, and the ratio of this gele is 70-30. So I will start with the longer hand now. I'll start rolling it. After that, I'll tell my model to hold it down. Guys, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup tutorial, so after that, I'll take this one like this, bring this other small hand now. That is the 30 part of it. I'll bring it back like this. So I'll tell my model to hold it down like this. So I'll use office pin to pin it down here. So I'll be using office pin to pin it down like this. Just one office pin is okay. So after that, I will now bring this hand back. So guys, just look at what I'm doing like this, back to the front like this. So guys, look at what it gave me now. So now we use office pin to pin it down here. That's it. And if you want me to tie it on my hair, so now I'll be shifting it back. So that is it guys. So this is the finished look of the gele. The gele is very easy and very simple to tie. So this is the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look of the gele. Here is the finished look. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.